You can register for a new EXNESS account or sign in with an existing one. We will follow the steps taken to register first, and follow up with the steps to sign in after. Choose Register. Then tap here to select your country. Tap this to continue. Enter your email address and tap here to continue. Create a password for your personal area, following the password requirements, then tap here. Create a 6-digit passcode which will be used to sign into EXNESS Trade, then re-enter it to confirm it. You'll be prompted to allow biometric or Face ID for sign-in, but you can skip this step for now. Enter your phone number to receive a verification code. Tap this to continue. On the next page, enter the code received via SMS and tap Continue. You will be taken to the Accounts tab where you can find both real and demo MT5 accounts created for you. To complete account verification, go to the Profile tab and tap Complete Verification. Tap here to receive a code to verify your email address. Enter the code and tap Continue. Add your profile information such as your name, date of birth, residential address and gender. Tap here. Answer a few questions to set up your economic profile, and then click here to continue. The final step here is document verification. Check your name is entered and make any corrections if necessary. Tap here. Follow the steps to upload your document for ID verification, keeping in mind the requirements. Once done, click here. That completes the account setup. You can always come back to this page from the Profile tab. To sign in with an existing EXNESS account, select Sign In from the Launch page and enter your EXNESS account login. You will still need to set a 6-digit passcode when you sign in for the first time with an existing EXNESS account. A prompt to allow biometrics or Face ID for sign-in will also be presented here when you first sign in. Now you are logged in and ready to use EXNESS Trade. Thank you for choosing EXNESS.